if you want to take advantage of the Starbucks buy one get one, I suggest you. What is up, mga Repa Pips? Alright, so I just finished my day today from work, and I'm going to go to Kay's work, and we are going to Starbucks tonight. I would say tonight because it's getting dark already. It's still 5 o'clock. Yeah, so we're going to Starbucks tonight, and because Starbucks is on sale. I mean, Starbucks has a lot of products on sale right now, but I don't know if everything is on sale. But Kay received an email that they are on a buy one get one sale right now. So I don't know if that would include the frap, because I want to buy frap, not the hot coffee. So we'll see if the frap is included in the buy one get one. And I just do hope that this buy one get one doesn't have um, any surprises or any catches when you go there, because we already went to a shop we already went to a shop lately. Just I think, yeah, just this week when we went there, we got a surprise. So I hope Starbucks would live it up. I hope Starbucks would honor their sale just as they advertised it through the email. All right, we are here at Starbucks already. I'm just parking right now, and I'm quite excited because it's just so rare that Starbucks gives us a buy one get one promotion. Okay, we are parked now, and we shall go. So it's true that Starbucks has their buy one get one without a catch. Thank you, Starbucks, for the buy one get one without any extras, without any catch. You didn't let us buy anything just to get the buy one get one, and we really appreciate it. So unfortunately, Kay spilled it. Oh, that's a lot. Too bad. Yeah. Good thing it's just the whipped cream. Yep. Good thing it's not my Java chip that spilled. So it was Kay's. So that's okay. I have my I have my Java chip here, and then Kay ordered, what's this? Caramel ribbon crunch. And do you know how much we paid? We only paid $8.22. We ordered the venti. So again, just to maximize the promotion, we ordered the biggest size, so that um, it everything will be worth it. And then you'll pay a minimum for the maximum size, because anyways the price is just different. And now we got these two drinks already, so we're heading home right now, and then we are going to enjoy our buy one get one Starbucks frap. And yeah, good thing. Yep. So aside from the no catch type of, or no tricks type of buy one get one, the good thing also there is that you can order any drink. So we ordered the frap. It's not only the holiday drinks, it's not only the hot drinks, and then any size as well. So it's really worth it. Okay, just if you want to take advantage of the Starbucks buy one get one, I suggest you download their mobile app. Again, this is how we get our deals and discounts through the mobile applications. That is how we learned to get deals from different shops. And we'll see you on the next video.